Oh, grabe kalamig ah. Tanya, anong oras na ngayon?
12:13. And the temperature is 13 degrees Celsius.
Oh, wow. San Luis Obispo, nandito na po ako sa inyong teritoryo. Toulouse. Morning, our first time to ride the tram here in France. Oh, here we are, our very first stop, Saint Sernin. Saint Sernin was the first bishop of Toulouse. Saint Sernin was martyred. His body was changed to a nearby bull and dragged through the city until his body was broken and skull crushed. It is believed that his remains are here in this basilica. Punta tayo sa simbahan ng Saint Sernin na kung saan kauna-unahan sa malubong sa amin si San Luis Obispo. Yun nasa mo. So ang kanyang nilid na arsobispado ang Tolosa. So I wanted to visit him as our patron saint for his guidance, but I couldn't find a place in Toulouse in my search. Now I know San Luis Obispo is with me. On the very first stop, he showed himself. Thank you, our patron saint, San Luis Obispo. Nadala ko daw siya rito. Grabe nga no. Oh, yun ang tunay na ano, oh. Hear the bell ringing. Ito na. Bell is Notre Dame dito. Pilgrims going to Camino de Santiago pass by Toulouse since the medieval time to honor the tomb of Saint Sernin on this location. This present building was built around the 14th century. Inside is installed Our Lady of the Rampart and this painting of martyrdom of Saint Sernin. So this is truly part of my Camino. San Luis guided me here to start my journey to Santiago. Is the plaza.
Capital.
This is the capital now. Okay. It's the capital square. Tingnan natin.
Okay.
Ice cream gelato here at Amorino.
I'll have the biscuits.
Wait. Yeah. Okay.
Where are we?
Jacobins. This is the convent of the Jacobins, and this is where Santo Tomas Aquinas lies. Being a graduate of Santo Tomas High School, I am surprised to find our saint here. We're now going to the park, another one, and this is the entrance to the park. Where's Tanya? Hindi ako masasagasaan, ha?
I want to say.
Gelato. What's this church, Tanya? This is Notre Dame de la Durad. Bumababa! Sago ako ay. Grabe! Galing naman nila. How did you do that? Oh, it's going up now. See their technology? Oh, wow! Grabe. And now look at the river. There is the river park. Grabe, ang ganda dito sa Tolosa. I did not expect that this would be very, very nice. So, tingnan natin yung front ng Notre Dame de Durad. sa Toulouse, maubusan ka ng memory. Ang dami ng kukunan ng video at saka ng picture. So, tapos na kami sa Toulouse, mamasyal. Nandito na kami sa station ng train. Anong oras na yun? 4 o'clock. Ang aming train ride to Lourdes is 5:25. Bye Toulouse. Ganda naman ang train namin.
Mesdames, Messieurs, bienvenue à bord du train Intercité à destination Bandai.
Back here in my hometown, in my parish. Wow! Toulouse, you surprised me. Less than a day, napuntahan namin yung dapat puntahan. So, more than an airport hub, more than a transportation hub, more than a musical center, Toulouse is a spiritual hub. Pilgrimage site. Thank you, San Luis.